have been teaching here for 2 years. All the villagers know about me. First of all, I wish you all very happy Independence Day. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we all know that, today we have gathered here to celebrate the most special event, that is 15th August, Independence Day. Freedom in mind, faith in our heart, memories in our soul. Let's salute on Independence Day. So, this is our one of the greatest festival of Indian history. So, this day is most important day in the history of our country for all the Indians. Do you know? Here we are celebrating 79th Independence Day today. So, after many struggle and agitation, India became independent from British rule. He ruled our country about 200 years. He tortured the people of our country a lot. But we are slaves of Britishers. But finally, on 15th August 1946, we got independence from Britishers. So, Independence Day is the day not only but celebration, but it is a reminder to great freedom fighter warrior who sacrificed their whole lives. He never think about his family. He put the country first. So, when you talk about country, first I love country. I am not proud to be Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. When you talk about country, I feel proud to be Indian. First I am Indian. APJ Abdul Kalam, his famous line, dream is not dream which you see while sleeping. It is something that which does not let you sleep. That is dream. If you want, shine like a sun. First burn like a sun. So, freedom is not given, just not given. It is earned by sacrifice, blood, unbreakable courage. So, salute our nation. It is not one day but every day. So, our great freedom, what he did, we can't forget. We should not forget about it. Because his dedication, their dedication, determination, courage inspire us to work hard and contribute to our country, to progress and development. We know India is a land of diversity. There are many regions live in this country, but still he loves each other. It's so called as unity is a strength. Unity is a strength. It means where there is unity, where there is teamwork, collaboration, a wonderful thing can be achieved. If you live alone, anyone can come and harm you. That's called, we can make a better country for education. Education means, education is a golden key to unlock the golden door of freedom. The goal of education, what is the goal of education? Do you know? The goal of education is achievement of knowledge, and this knowledge is the best. Knowledge is the ultimate dedication, hard work. If you want to be everybody to be disciplined, is the bridge between goal and dissemination of truth. So discipline is the most important thing in human life. Without discipline, there is no value of education. Doesn't matter. It means you are nothing. So discipline must important. As many more who sacrifice their lives for our country. So it is our responsibility to duty perform well, to contribute to our country and be educated, be responsible, and the symbol of greatness. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. So, friends, ladies and gentlemen, Independence Day is the not day of freedom of celebrations. It is reminder us sacrifice to comes with responsibility. So if you want to better country, first you have to achieve better education, build better country. So dear students, let's make a strong decisions to value our nation and respect our great freedom fighters. Let's every patriot to be honored. Don't let politics get in the way. What he did, we can't forget that. I know that. We can never forget our freedoms. We can get chopped our heads, but we can't forget. We can't bow our heads. So I'm talking about freedoms. I'm talking about Independence Day. Everyone celebrates Independence Day, but most of people don't know about it. He totally ignore it. It's not good things. Your behavior is your identity. Your education is certificate. So behave. I think some situation in the life where education field, their behavior can still handle it. So behave and discipline. And talking about work is worship. People goes to temple and worship the Saraswati, Bhagwan Vishnu, Shankar. I think the best worship is work. What you do, that is your work. That is a real worship of God. Means you know that Saraswati is a goddess.